Hey guys, welcome to SP Chronicles. So this is the last weekly vlog. So welcome to the last weekly vlog of the year. So as you guys can see, the shot earlier this week, I posted a Dmart haul, Dmart window shopping. So this is the full video. So they have so many amazing hair accessories with affordable prices. So I thought you guys should see them, and if you want, you can go and buy them. This is not a sponsor video by Dmart. I don't have any sponsor videos in my videos. I really like the quality of the hair accessories. So with such affordable prices, the quality is top notch. So that's why I really wanted to recommend this for you guys. As you guys can see, they have so many amazing hair accessories collection. I will surely post my hair accessories collection next year. So they have so many cute new hair clips. There's small hair clips for the half up, half down hairstyles. See, they have amazing collection. Feel free to give any new video suggestions if you have any. And if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and please hit the like button. And please comment down below which part of the video you like the most. See, they have barrettes, new aesthetic barrettes. There are so many aesthetic hair accessories you can find here with the affordable price. So tell me guys which hair accessories and which hairstyles you would want me to do. And they have little cute mini bags, the coin pouches, makeup bags, and they have whole bunch of new handbags there. See this cute Pinterest handbags. They have branded handbags as well. Labby is one of the favorite brands of mine. So yeah. If you want, I will do the handbag collection. Please feel free to give any suggestions. There are so many cute office laptop bags there. The quality of these bags are top notch. I've been using Dmart bags since 2 years now. So yeah. They have sling bags, anything. You name it, they have it. And they are such a cute Pinterest aesthetic handbags there. The hair accessories, the handbags are all Pinteresty. I tried to cover a few of them. So yeah. This is the bag that I'm most likely about. They have cute little sunflowers there with a ribbon on it. It's a Pinteresty handbag. The office bags, office handbags are amazing, and they have hair caps for shower caps. And this is another store. This is a weekly combined vlog. So in the last vlog, you guys see this part 1, and this is the part 2 of the same store. They're containing so many handbands, berets, anything. And yeah, this is the hairstyles guys. This week I uploaded 3 hairstyles. So these are the last hairstyles of 2024. Are you excited for 2025? Please let me know guys. What are your new year resolutions? Please let me know in the comment down below. My number 1 new year resolution is I want to make a good content for you guys. So please subscribe to my channel guys. These are flat hair clips. These are better than the claw clips. clips are good too. So this is the second hair clip. This is the Pinterest inspired voluminous hairstyle. This is one of my favorite hairstyles and one of my go-to as well. You should definitely try if you're not. And if you guys want my curls tutorial, please let me know in the comment section below as well. And please let me know guys, how's this year content on my channel. If you like my content to do again, let me know in the comment section below. I love the mini claw clips. They put volume on my hair. Crochet claw clip that I got. And this is the third hairstyle. This hairstyle I did for my Christmas. So yeah. If you want a detailed video, please let me know in the comment section below. I will make a full video explaining how to do hairstyles. If you want that type of content, please let me know. This is one of the easiest hairstyles. You just need two hair ties and that's it. Any beginner can do this hairstyle. The claw clip, that is amazing claw clip I got from SQ Scrunchies. So if you want, I will link in the description below. This is the fourth hairstyle guys. This is one of my favorite hairstyles and one of the easiest and one of the go-tos as well. When I'm running late, I'll just do a bun and that's it. This is your go-to hairstyle guys. Please let me know in the comment section below as well. These are empties. So first two are my hair accessories. They're broken. My banana clip and my clutcher. These are my faves. And the Nivea soft moisturizer is my go-to. I have a new one. And the sunscreen is amazing as well. I've been using since my childhood. And kajals, I go through 5 to 6 kajal a year. So I have double pack of the Lakme. I gone through. And the watch band. Okay. And next Judio lip balm. It's amazing, the color payoff, the flavor, the moisturizing is amazing. And in the earlier Empties video I used the strawberry one and this is the grape one. And these are the lip mousse from the Zudio brand. That is also good, but they don't last very long. In 2 to 3 months they gone bad. And again kajal, Maybelline kajal is one of my go-to. I gone through 2 pack of them. You guys can see in my Empties video last part. So yeah. And the Zudio lip liner is go-to. It's just 99 rupees and you guys, the quality is top notch. And the Lakme lip balm in the shade Insta Pink. It's amazing. It can change through your pH balance in your body. It gives a nice pink color to me and the glossy is amazing. Bye guys, see you in the next video. Happy New Year guys. Hope you have an amazing New Year.